Have you ever wondered what final expense coverage is? Well, allow me to shed some light on this essential yet often misunderstood concept. In the simplest terms, final expense coverage is a type of life insurance. But it's not just any life insurance. It is specifically designed to take care of the bills that your loved ones will face after your passing. Now, you might be thinking, what kind of bills are we talking about here? Well, these could range from medical bills that might have piled up to funeral expenses, which, let's face it, can be quite hefty. The goal of final expense coverage is to ease the financial burden on your loved ones during an already challenging time. It's about ensuring peace of mind for you and your family, knowing that these costs will be taken care of. Now that we know what final expense coverage is, let's delve a little deeper. So why would someone need final expense coverage? Well, let's delve into that. Final expense coverage plays a crucial role in ensuring that the financial burden on your loved ones doesn't balloon after your departure from this world. It's a fact of life that death comes with expenses. There are funeral costs, medical bills, and other financial obligations that can quickly pile up. Now imagine your family grappling with grief and at the same time having to deal with these financial demands. Not a pretty picture, right? But this is where final expense coverage comes into play. It provides a financial buffer to handle these costs, making a difficult time a bit more manageable for your family. Moreover, having this insurance gives you peace of mind, knowing that you won't be leaving a financial burden for your loved ones to shoulder. You can rest easy knowing their focus can be on healing and remembering your life, not worrying about the cost. With that understanding, you may be wondering, how does one get final expense coverage? How does one go about getting final expense coverage? It's as straightforward as buying your favorite candy from the store. First, you'll want to select a policy that suits your needs. Various insurance providers offer a range of policies, so it's essential to deliberate your choices carefully. Once you've picked the perfect policy, the next step is determining a coverage amount. This is typically dictated by your personal financial situation and the potential expenses you'd like to cover. It could range from a modest sum to cover a simple funeral service up to a larger amount to take care of outstanding debts and leave a financial cushion for your loved ones. Finally, it's time to pay the premiums. These are usually monthly payments that maintain your coverage. And here's a bonus. Obtaining final expense coverage typically doesn't require a medical exam, making it an accessible option for many. With that knowledge, you might be curious about the cost. So, how much does final expense coverage cost? What are the typical costs associated with final expense coverage, you might ask? Well, the cost of final expense coverage can vary widely based on a few factors. Firstly, age plays a significant role in determining the cost. The older you are, the higher the premium you may have to pay. Health is another important factor. If you have pre-existing conditions, it might raise your premiums. Lastly, the amount of coverage you choose will also impact the cost. Opting for a higher coverage amount means higher premiums. But here's the good news. Final expense coverage is usually more affordable compared to traditional life insurance policies. It's designed to cater to a specific need, and therefore, it's often more cost-effective. So, you see, while there are several factors that can influence the cost of your final expense coverage, it remains a financially smart choice for many. Now that we've covered the basics, Let's summarize what we've learned. So, what are the key takeaways about final expense coverage? In a nutshell, final expense coverage is a type of life insurance designed to cover the bills that your loved ones will face after your death. These costs can include medical bills and funeral expenses, which can quickly add up, causing additional stress during an already difficult time. Understanding the importance of final expense coverage, it becomes clear that it's not merely about covering death-related costs. It's about providing a financial safety net for your loved ones, minimizing their burdens in your absence. As for the acquisition, it's generally straightforward. You can contact me, I will compare plans with you and choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. Remember, final expense coverage is all about providing peace of mind for you and financial security for your loved ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more information like this. Thanks for watching.